Here's how you can easily change the color of any object on Photoshop. So here I have a green jalapeno, but I want to change it to a red jalapeno. Go to your side panel and get your object select tool and make your selection. After making the selection, create a new folder to make a group. Then click on your layer mask icon to mask the selection. Go to your adjustment layer and go to solid color. Now for this jalapeno, I'm going to go for more of a dark red color. Go to your adjustment layer icon again, and this time select brightness and contrast and make sure that it's on top of the color fill layer. With the group selected, go to the drop down box and I'm going to select lighten. Now on my brightness and contrast layer, I'm then going to adjust the brightness. And that's it. Follow for more videos like this.